Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. So in this video, we will try out Google's AI Studio, using which we will try to optimize my YouTube channel. So you have known that Mr. No YouTube channel has been around for quite a while, but it's not getting that much reach that it should be getting. So we will try to figure out if there is something wrong in the settings or what we can do to optimize it. So what I will do is I will share my screen with Gemini Live AI and walk through the various screens so that I can understand what actually is going wrong. So I'm going to share the entire screen.
Okay, I understand. You'd like to share your entire screen so I can help you understand what's going wrong. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. I want your help in adjusting the settings of YouTube so that I can get better reach. So my YouTube channel doesn't have very good reach right now. So I want to make sure that I am not doing anything wrong in all the settings and all.
Okay, I see that you're on your YouTube channel page, and you're concerned that your channel's reach isn't very good. You'd like me to help you make sure you're not doing anything wrong in your YouTube settings. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, I understand. It looks like you're now on the YouTube settings page. Do you want me to go through each of the settings with you, or do you have specific settings in mind that you'd like me to focus on?
So I'll look for this customized channel first. Here you tell me if there is something which I can do to optimize it. So you can just check what information we have already. So my YouTube channel is mostly to do with information videos. Like if people come across any problems, I will try to solve it using my videos. So that is what my YouTube channel is about. So this is the name of the channel. As you can see, this is Mr. No.
Okay,
This is the
I
handle.
understand. Okay, I see. You're looking at the handle for your YouTube channel. Is there something specific about the handle that you'd like me to look at or help you with?
No, in the description, I want your help to reframe this. You see it right now, whatever it is there.
Okay, I understand. You'd like help reframing the current description of your channel. I can definitely assist with that. What kind of changes are you looking to make? Or what aspects of the description would you like to adjust?
See, my channel is about various website reviews, AI tools, then a solution to various problems. So you tell me based on YouTube research result if it can be optimized.
Okay, so your channel is about website reviews, AI tools, and solutions to various problems, and you'd like me to help you optimize your description based on what YouTube research says. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct. What works better for YouTube?
Okay, I understand. Based on what you've told me, a good description should clearly state what your channel offers, using keywords that people are likely to search for. For instance, you could start with something like, "Welcome to my channel for reviews of the latest websites and AI tools, with easy-to-follow solutions to everyday problems." Would you like me to help you brainstorm further?
Okay, so I kind of understood what I should write here. That is good inputs that you have given. So in terms of other settings, I just want to make sure everything is right. Okay, so let me go to the other settings. Where can I see the other settings? Is it here? Why is it not loading? Or maybe I'll have to close this and go there, right?
Okay, I see. It looks like you're having some trouble. Okay, I see. It looks like you're back on your channel page. You mentioned wanting to go to other settings. Did you want me to help you find those?
No, I kind of know where it is. Within the settings, you tell me what I have to change. Okay, so let me go here. Okay, so now the settings is open. Maybe because of this ad blocker thing which is on, this is causing this issue, I guess, right? So let me refresh it again.
Okay, it seems like the settings page was having trouble loading, possibly due to an ad blocker. You're now going to refresh the page, is that right?
Yeah, that's correct. So I've done that. Now I'm again going into settings, but still it's showing oops, something went wrong. What is wrong? I'm not able to figure out why is the settings not working. Okay, it worked now. Okay, it worked now. Okay, so I'll have to restart that. Okay, something went wrong, right? So again I have to share. Okay, so now you look at the screen and tell me if there is any settings that I need to change so that I get good reach in YouTube for my channel.
Okay, I see on the screen that you have the YouTube Studio settings open and the General tab is selected. Under default units, the currency is currently set to INR Indian Rupee. Is there something in particular about this setting or others that you would like me to comment on?
So in the keywords, I have put all those things. Is there any issue with this? Anything
Okay,
that you
I
want me
see
to
that you've
remove?
entered I see that you have added many keywords under the basic info tab within the channel settings. There are a lot of keywords including AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, generative AI, ChatGPT, LLM, futurism, technology, tech reviews, AI tutorials, coding tutorials,
Don't
emerging
read out
tech,
everything.
AI.
Hey, you don't read out everything. You tell me what exactly I need to remove from this.
Okay, I see. You have a lot of keywords, and you want to know which ones might be redundant or unnecessary. Based on what I can see, you might want to consider removing some of the more general keywords that overlap significantly. For example, AI is very broad and is already covered by more specific terms like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and generative AI. Do you think removing general keywords could be a good starting point?
Yeah, that will be good.
Okay, so if you want to remove the general keyword AI, do you want me to look for other similar broad
Yeah,
keywords that may
yeah,
be
yeah. There, you look for other ones which I should remove.
Okay, I will look for other keywords that may be redundant. I see that you have technology and several more specific tech-related keywords such as tech reviews, tech tips, and latest technology. Would it be beneficial to remove the general term technology since the other terms specify it further?
Okay, that's a good suggestion. Yeah, what more I can remove?
Okay, I'm looking at the keywords again. I notice you have both AI for beginners and AI innovations. Since AI for beginners is more specific and AI innovations could be considered part of that category, would removing AI innovations be something you'd consider?
Okay, remove it. So now for what we have removed, right? Can you suggest something which I can add here, which is highly searched in YouTube for my channel? One or two
Okay,
keywords
you want to add a keyword.
which I have not used
Okay,
here.
based on what I see, you have a lot of keywords about different areas of AI. Since you are covering a lot of ground, perhaps adding a keyword related to future trends might be beneficial. Many of the AI-related keywords already imply that, but explicitly naming future trends can help. Additionally, a keyword such as digital transformation could also be relevant to add, since many of the technologies you discuss have been part of this digital change. Does this seem like a good approach?
Yeah, digital transformation, right? So I have added that. Then what do you want me to add? Future
Okay,
trends, right? Future trends. I have added that. Okay, so I'll save
Okay,
it.
I see that you've added digital transformation and future trends as keywords. You are currently at 473 500ths characters. Is there anything else I can help you with? Or are you
Yeah.
ready to save?
Yeah, so this is upload default ad category. So one question I have is that in which category should I publish my videos actually? So if you look at, I will show you some of my videos. You tell me if I am publishing it in the right category. So for example, this one, right? How to set up out of stock alerts while shopping online. So what category it
Okay,
should
I
go
see
to?
you've navigated to the content section of your channel. And you're
Yeah,
pointing out the video titled, How to Set Up Out of Stock Alerts While Shopping Online. You're asking me what category that video should be in?
correct. So as of now, I'll show you what category I have put in. Let me go down. Yeah, I put in science and technology. Is this the right category or should I change to some other category? What do you suggest?
Okay, I see that the category for that video is set to Science and Technology. While there is a technical element to setting up out-of-stock alerts, it may fit better under How-To and Style. Since your content is about providing instructions for a specific task, using the How-To and Style category could help you reach the right audience for this particular video. Do you want to try changing it to that category?
Yeah, that is a very good suggestion, I would say. So okay, so let me go to a couple of other videos also. how to earn money with AI apps. Okay, so this is another category. So in which category will I fit this thing? It is about using what you call AI to earn passive income using a GPT tool. Okay, it got interrupted again. So yeah, so if you can see my screen, this video is about how to earn money with AI apps. So using this tutorial, we will teach how to create AI GPT apps. So which category will this fit in?
So, based on the keywords listed in the description, this video would fit into the technology category as it includes keywords such as AI apps, and AI-powered platforms.
Okay, sounds good. So now let me go to this one. How to create a QR code luggage tag with privacy. So you can see the
Okay, so you want
description.
to know about the video type?
Yeah, I want to know what
Okay, the
what
video
category I can fit it. Now it is currently it is chosen as
based on the key
yeah.
based on the keywords and content described, this video about creating a QR code luggage tag would best fit into the how-to and style or travel categories. Would you like to look at any other categories?
Oh, okay, travel is good enough. Okay, that's a good suggestion. I'll fit that in there. Okay, that's fine. So now in terms of playlist, right? I have only this many playlist. Do you think I need to add
Okay,
more
so it looks like
playlist?
considering that you already have a travel playlist, I would recommend adding the how to create a QR code luggage tag video to that playlist and not creating another one. Does that sound right?
So typically, how many playlists should a YouTube channel have, in your opinion?
There is no specific In my opinion, there's no fixed number of playlists that a YouTube channel should have, as it depends on the variety of content you create and the topics you want to organize. However, a good practice is to have a reasonable number of playlists to categorize your videos, making it easier for viewers to navigate through your content. Having too few or too many playlists might make it difficult for users to find relevant content. How many playlists do you think would work well for your channel?
Okay, that's okay. That I understand. I have another question. I used to sometimes publish videos which has been made by dog. I'll show you what exactly I'm referring to. Dog is my mascot for this channel. So using that, I used to publish some videos. Okay, so those videos I want to see how I should categorize it because that is again not actual human being, right? It's
Okay, I see what you mean. You're looking to categorize videos that feature your dog as a mascot, but are not necessarily about dogs.
yeah,
A
it is
good
AI
approach would be
generated.
to create.
It is AI generated.
Okay,
Where
it seems that
so
you
yeah,
have some videos that are
correct.
AI generated with your dog as the mascot. So to
Yeah,
clarify, you need help categorizing AI generated content that features your dog, but is not a person? Is that correct?
yeah, that's correct. So I'll show you exactly what video is.
Okay, since
Let
your
me
videos feature.
let me go to that video. Then I can show you where what I am talking about. So in that video, there are some questions that is there in the edit category. So let's say see this video, right? So let me play this video. You can see, right?
Hello.
Okay, I understand.
Hi
You're
everyone.
referring to the
Uber
videos where your
has
dog is
introduced
featured
a
but are
free
not
shutters.
AI generated, and you are looking for the
Hi
appropriate category
everyone. I
for
wanted to
them.
show.
Is this correct?
Yeah, just I'll
Hi
show you
everyone.
exactly
Are you a
what video
content
I'm referring
creator?
to. Okay,
Are you looking for some memes? Then you can come to this.
I'll show you that video. Okay, then it will be
Okay.
very clear. One second, let me go to a video where that dog is speaking. Where did it go? One second. I'm just trying to pull out. Just a second. I'm just trying to find out that video where the dog is speaking. Are you with me? Are you with me? Oh, okay. 1 second. So, if you see this video, you tell me what exactly is wrong with this actually. So, how should I categorize it? Because here it's not actual human speaking, right? This is actually a dog which is made to speak. So, how should I categorize
Hello
it?
humans!
Seems
Do
you
you
are
want to
showing a
learn the
series of
mystery recipe
shorts,
for
and
winning
the subject
cash
of them is a
prizes and
dog,
awesome
which is a
rewards in
recurring
innovation
element in all of
competitions
them.
and
Is
hackathons?
your question about the
I've
fact that these
got
videos use
just the thing.
voiceover and that's
The
not actual
Mastering
human
Innovation
speech?
Competitions, Hackathons and Crowdsourcing course, you will discover the perfect winning recipe for dominating hackathons and innovation challenges. This course teaches you how to cook up brilliant ideas, blend in artificial intelligence, and top it off with strategies from someone who has won over 60 competitions. It's packed.
Yeah, so these kinds of videos, should I mention that it is an AI generated? Because I see that option, right? To mention that.
Yes, if the voice in the video is AI generated, it's a good practice to mention that it's AI generated. This transparency can help manage viewer expectations, and it can also be helpful to those interested in how AI is being used in content creation. It sounds like you found where to indicate that in YouTube Studio.
I'm checking it once again. Let me open it. Okay, so this is one video I have. So here, if I go there, I saw somewhere. Where is that option? Yeah, see,
Okay,
altered
so it looks
content.
like you're in.
Yeah, this one, altered content.
Okay,
So for
so it
this
looks like.
video, should I choose it yes or no? What is your opinion? So for this video, what is your opinion? Should I choose it as yes or no for altered content? Because I am making a dog to speak. It's not the actual person speaking. I'm making a dog to speak using AI, right? But yeah, you tell
It
me.
appears that you are asking if you should mark your video as having altered content because you are making a dog speak in the video using AI. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes, you should mark your video as having altered content since you are making a dog speak, which is not how a real dog would behave. This falls under the makes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do category.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, what is
Is there
happening?
anything else I can help you with regarding your video?
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.